So my name is Mike Wood. I'm VP of Marketing for a company known as VeloCloud Networks. We believe that the cloud is the network. We've seen applications move into the cloud with SaaS. We've seen compute move into the cloud. We've seen storage move into the cloud. We believe that there's no reason why wide area networking cannot also meet all of those services in the cloud. VeloCloud is the world's first truly multi-tenant, cloud-delivered, software-defined wide area network solution. What that means is that orchestration of that system is multi-tenant and it's inside the cloud. Control is split out. It's also in the cloud and multi-tenant. And the data plane itself is also brought into the cloud and is also multi-tenant. So all three of those aspects, components, are cloud delivered. Service providers can take that, they can use it, white label it, sell it as it is, or literally bring those components into your own network and deliver those as your own service. What VeloCloud allows is service providers to literally begin to expand wide area networking access to enterprise customers in enterprise branch offices around the world using ordinary internet links. We all know the internet is best effort, a lossy network. It isn't always reliable. VeloCloud turns that into a highly reliable, high quality internet connection and link for wide area networking. At the same time, VeloCloud enables service providers to begin to deliver reliably with high performance and quality your own cloud services along with third-party cloud services. Those might be applications, they might be storage, it might be compute. We meet those systems and applications in the cloud where they are and deliver quality of service all the way down into branch offices. And we do that all the way down into either an enterprise carrier class CPE device. We also have the ability to run on COTS, commercial shelf hardware, and also have a virtualized system, so NFV in the cloud and down on premise. And at the same time, we're able to deliver simplification in terms of operation and automation and deployment. So it's a zero-touch deployment model that VeloCloud offers. What that means to service providers and what they're able to deliver to enterprises and small, medium businesses worldwide is that you can get to 100x faster installs for your enterprise customers in their branch offices. You can drive down the cost, your costs. You can decide what to do with that by 3x, less cost to be able to do that. And finally, you're able to very quickly deliver out to enterprise customers very fast speeds at 10x faster speeds because you're beginning to take advantage of internet links that may be owned by you or quite frankly may be owned by other carriers, but you're leveraging those links down to those branch office locations. What this means for service providers is that we're able to help you increase your revenue. We do that by taking the existing wide area networks that your enterprise customers use today and leaving them as they are. They can WAN as they are, wide area networking as they are, and continue to leverage that. They've spent a lot of time, money, energy, resources on those infrastructures. You can also keep your existing infrastructure within the carrier, MPLS, whatever that might be, and begin to expand that using software-defined wide area networking through a cloud-delivered model. What that means is you can very quickly add more bandwidth out to enterprise branch offices with a lower expense model. In addition to that, you can drive out more cloud services and virtualized services and service insertion out to those branch office locations, into the data center and enterprise-wide, regardless of where those services are derived inside the cloud. At the same time, we're able to drive down the costs. The way that we do this is the way that a lot of SaaS providers do this, and the way that service providers do this is through economies of scale. So you're leveraging this truly multi-tenant infrastructure, and the more people that get on it, the lower the cost of that system ends up being because of the reuse and sharing of resources. So completely multi-tenant. And then also driving down the expense around operation. Literally, you can begin to deploy out to remote branch office locations without a truck roll. Truck rolls end up being $400 to $700 US a lot of times. Our customer set, we're working with a wide range of global network service providers, so we're very familiar with the service provider market. We've also got, we're working with quite a few Fortune 500 customers, international enterprise customers, and a wide range of multinationals. We invite you to stop by our booth. We'd love to talk to you about how We can help you expand wide area networking using software-defined WAN out to branch offices for your enterprise customers. And we'd also like to show you how real-time communications and applications operate better over VeloCloud than over the ordinary internet.
Good. You made it. Good job. VeloCloud. Comments, questions?
Are you leveraging some of the open source framework or software, or is it all your own secret sauce to build it?
Some components do leverage some open source software, but there's also a tremendous amount of, you can imagine, to be able to deliver quality of service over the internet, prioritization over the internet, eliminating packet loss, jitter, delay, the three horsemen of the internet and of networks in general, MPLS. Also, there's a lot of special, unique IP that we bring into that, so it's a combination of both.